Hey guys, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. As you come in, kindly like the live stream. Let's talk. Let us gist. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome, my beautiful people. As you come in, please like the program. Let us talk about Korra's court updates. Kora yesterday in her live stream gave us updates. Thank you. Kora yesterday on her live stream, gave us updates on, the court proceedings, things that have happened so far. Let's talk about it. And let's also talk about why is Kora not putting so much effort when it comes to this UK acid attack. You're welcome. You're welcome. To everyone that will be rewatching, do what to like the program, drop your own opinions as you come in. If you're in the background, kindly say hi to the host so the host knows she has people watching. You are welcome, my beautiful people. Today's live stream, we'll be talking about Kora Obidi's court update on the UK acid attack. Justin gaining custody. How true is that? I've been hearing rumors about this online. I don't know how true it is, but I want to believe it's not true. Yes. Now let's start with Kora Obidi's court case. Kora recently came out to say, oh, she needs money, she needs support from Koreans. Hey, Chidi Gloria, thanks for coming. Good afternoon. That she needs support from Koreans, concerning this court case, and that was the reason why she opened the GoFundMe. Now, I've been hearing so many talks about this first, court appearance she had. But before we even go to the court appearance she had, let's listen to what Kora said in her, live stream of yesterday. Oh, I'm doing fine, thank you. I'm doing fine. So let me play that clip so we hear what Kora said in her yesterday's live stream. Thank you all for coming. Let me get the clip. Getting it. Just give me a little while. As you comment, please like the program. Okay, the clip is here. Let's listen to Kora.
Singing as a princess all the way from the motherland, and this is an update on my current situation.
Okay.
Getting here. Good morning.
You heard from her that this is court updates. Let's listen to what she has to say. Then I'll give you my own opinion about this. And the reason why I feel Kora is not really putting her energy and her resources in the right place.
Good morning. I just finished court. At the end of court, the judge issued a continuance, which is going to enable the case to be put forward at a later date.
Okay.
This is as a result of a bunch of issues in the case that need to be filed out properly in order for the case.
First of all, what Kora is saying here, I believe Kora doesn't have access to the GoFundMe money yet. Yes, I don't think she has cashed it out because she said the target was $100,000. So I'm not sure Kora has cashed out that GoFundMe money, but I just want to really hope that Kora did not go to this court alone, because I'm hearing her saying something about the judge telling them that they should file the case properly. If Kora went to court with a certified lawyer, the lawyer is supposed to know that that case is supposed to be filed properly. Why should Kora, after spending the amount of money, get a lawyer that in the first hearing, the court is sending them back to go and file their case properly? Wow. Let's listen to her.
To continue in the court in the appropriate time. You guys know that I have been literally harassed and stalked.
Okay.
And basically, all all sorts of things by crazy people on the internet for
Okay.
the past 2 years after my divorce, but I've been keeping quiet. Finally,
Okay.
I've been empowered by you guys to do the needful to stop the harassment. And I
Okay.
want to say huge thank you.
Okay. Now, Kora is saying that over 2 years, she has been, stalked by social media audience, and that they have finally given her the wings to fight them. And me, I want to ask again, no, because when Kora came out to ask for that GoFundMe stuff, the reasons Kora gave, because we analyzed it here, it's not like something that happened 5 years ago. We analyzed it here. She was fighting for, number one, the right to post her kids online on her page, and also the right, for the court to allow her be able to take her kids to Nigeria or Africa at least once in a year. So this one I'm hearing Korra talking about stalking. That's not what you told us, so let's still listen to her.
This morning was great. It was fantastic. There's been an issue, continuance issued, and I don't want to say so much. I just want to say that justice will be served.
Okay, we heard from Korra that she doesn't want to say much about the case, but what she knows is that justice will be served. We are going somewhere.
Love you guys, and thank you so much for always vibing with me. What?
Now, guys, as you come in, please like the program. You heard from Korra, and I'm still asking again, Koreans, the fact that Korra is starting a case, and the judge is telling her to go back and refile it well. To me, I'm not really happy about that, because if Korra used a good judge, a good lawyer, at the first hearing, the judge is not supposed to be sending them back to go and refile and file. I don't know if anybody is understanding what I'm saying. At the first hearing, we're not supposed to be hearing file and refile. We're supposed to be hearing, okay, this is happening, that is happening. But well, thank God, like she said, that the judge, issued a recontinuation, meaning they should go and refile, get their evidence, get things right, and then come back. Now, let's move straight to the major reason why I came live today. Guys, please 1 minute. As you come in, guys, please like the program. Now, Korra here is saying that finally that she's going to get justice for herself, that she has been stalked, she has been this, she has been that. And I want to just ask a very genuine question. When Korra came out to talk about this GoFundMe stuff and her fans helping her, what she told us was, number one, she wants to gain, a little bit of custody so that she can post her kids on her social media page, because Justin was just using image protection to, yank off her their kids' content of her page. And she said she wants, the opportunity or the privilege, or will I say the right to, be able to take her kids to Nigeria. So I just hope Korra would face that reason. She told her audience. You understand? Now, I also want to ask a very genuine question, and I hope Koreans see reasons with me. Why is Korra not pursuing this UK case? I'm really serious about it. Do you know why? I'm serious about it because, according to Korra, the lady who tried deleting her, God forbid. Thank God it's a talk we are talking now, and we are all laughing about it, that the person did not succeed. Why is Korra not taking that case up like very seriously? Why? To me, if you ask me, you see that UK case is more important than even this she putting her kids on social media. I'm just being sincere with you. I'm being sincere with you. I feel, in my own opinion, that UK acid case is more serious than this she trying to get right to put her kids online. Because although the acid issue, we later found out it wasn't true. The person, maybe, I don't know the kind of um attacker that person is, that didn't come in with the right acid. But to me, I just feel if there's any case Korra should take seriously, it should be this acid attack case. This somebody trying to delete her in the UK. We've not heard any update about that case. Nothing. And I'm asking, why is Korra not taking it seriously? Why? Why? If you're fighting for, you want the right to put your children on social media, is it not when you are alive and healthy you'll be able to put your kids on social media? It's when you're alive and healthy you can put those beautiful angels on social media. So I don't know why Koreans are not asking her about the UK case. If to you as a Korean it's not a serious something, to me it's serious. Something as big as someone trying to delete you should be taken seriously. We've not heard any updates. Although I know that the UK police would not leave any stone unturned to make sure that the perpetrators of that evil are brought to book. But I just feel that Korra herself should put in more energy in that case. More energy, more time. Let her give us update. To me, I'm more interested in that one, because it's when one have life, you'll be talking of kids. You don't have life. How will you even give those kids the best life you want to give them? You get me? I've been seeing online people saying that, oh, why Korra isn't taking the acid case so seriously is because it is staged. And I do not want to believe that. Somebody like Korra, who knows that she has an audience that loves and appreciates her, will want to forge something as big as an acid attack. I don't believe that until I'm proven otherwise. But I just feel Korra should take this acid attack in the UK seriously. To me, that is more important. Feel free to drop your own opinions in the comment section. What do you think? What do you guys think? To me, I feel that is way more important than any other thing she's doing out there to safeguard her own life. Get to the bottom root of that issue. Who was the lady that tried attacking her? Who sent her? Who are her sponsors? This is not about she coming to accuse Justin. No, we have gone past that era of she always accusing Justin over everything. Now we want to see evidence. Now we want to see arrests. We want to see court documents. We don't want, oh, Justin fan. No. Same thing with Justin. We don't want to hear, oh, it's Korra fans. We want to be seeing evidence now. Now it's no longer a money issue. Money is not the constraint. There's enough money to go around. So that's just it. That's just it for me. I just really hope Korra really follows up that UK case. She doesn't let it die down. And at the end, the woman who was obviously sent, according to Korra, to delete her is brought to book, and her sponsors. That was why when Nancy came out, then I was saying, oh, East Africa, what did Korra do to you? I said, Nancy, will you just sit down one place? You're not even sure. You ain't sure of who your sister's attackers are. You're out saying, oh, East Africa, oh, what did Korra do to you? What do you mean? You just came out and accused a whole continent, a whole country. That has always been my issue with Nancy. Nancy always comes out to say things that, oh, at the end, gives Korra a very bad image. East Africa, what did Korra do to you? East Africa, she's just a poor girl. Nancy, will you just sit one place? Where are your evidence that the lady who attacked allegedly, now it's an alleged information, because the UK police hasn't given us any update. Nancy, where is your evidence? Or how are you sure? Olanike, my darling. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thanks for coming, baby. Please like the program. Thanks for coming, my darling. How are you sure? How are you sure that the attacker was from Justin? You have no evidence. You have none. We've not heard any updates from this UK case. And I don't know why you guys aren't worried. It's something that you should be worried about. Why is Kora not speaking about the acid attack? Except there is something she knows that we do not know. But I feel that right now, that acid attack that case is more important than this custody battle she's fighting. Because it's when you have life, you can give your girls the best life you want for them. I don't know if I'm communicating to somebody, but that's just my own opinion. Nancy came out there, East Africa. Oh, what did Korra do to you? What did this do to you? Nancy, where is your evidence that an Eastern African lady was the one that attacked Korra? Eastern Africans took it so personal. They were so mad at Nancy. I saw their rants on Facebook. They were all saying, Nancy, how dare you come out and accuse our country of doing something such vile without any evidence? And this is over a month. This whole issue happened. I want Kora to know that if she doesn't indicate interest in that case, the UK police won't take the case seriously. That's how the police system works. They will be doing their investigation, but you still need to put in some seriousness. You need to put in some, always check up on them, always call. Okay, what's going on? I haven't heard anything about the case. I was nearly deleted in your country. What's going on? The police might be working on the case, but the case will not proceed faster, except she also indicates interest. So that's just it. That's just it for me. I just really hope she takes that case seriously, so something like that doesn't repeat itself. And Nancy was saying in her video, in her live stream, let me play a clip of what Nancy said in her live stream. For those of you just coming in, let me play the clip again of, stuff that happened in court. For those of you just coming in that did not hear the recent court updates, let me play it again so you hear the recent court updates from Kora herself. Welcome, guys.
Yes, a princess all the way from the motherland, and this is an update on my current situation.
Okay.
Getting here. Good morning.
Please like the program.
I just finished court. At the end of court, the judge issued a continuance, which is going to enable the case to be put forward at a later date. This is as a result of a bunch of issues in the case that need to be filed.
Did you guys hear that? Did you hear that? That the judge had to, tell them, you guys should go and sort yourself out. When I say sort yourself out, like go get your facts right, go get your, MB, thanks for coming, good afternoon, please like the program. The judge had to say, go get your evidence right, go get your shit right. And I'm asking, I sincerely hope Kora went with a professional lawyer, an experienced lawyer. Because if the lawyer is experienced, in the first sitting, we're not supposed to be hearing the judge telling them, go and get your shit right. I don't know if I'm talking to myself or somebody is understanding where I'm coming from. Let's read MB's comment. MB said, hello, you have a very valid point. So you want her to call UK police on live so you know she's doing something about it. At least she will give updates. Did I ask her to call the UK police on live? Has she ever called even the US police on live while she has been having issues with Justin? I think let her give her fans updates now because they've been asking what's going on with the court case. You go and ask her when she's going to give you updates on what happened in the UK. Let's listen to Kora.
Properly in order for the case to continue in the court in the appropriate time.
Okay.
You guys know that I have been literally harassed.
So that's just the recent update of Korra in court. And I was hearing stuffs hearsay up and down. And I don't know how true they are. I don't know how true they are. But before we go to those stuffs I heard, because those stuffs will now be alleged stories because it is then say up and down. Let's go to Nasi first of all. Nasi was saying in her last video, or like call it a live stream, that Korra was, how do I put that word? Korra was raped. You know what I'm trying to talk about, right? Raped by Justin. And I was like, what? Justin? And I wanted to ask Korra on that live stream. Nasi on that live stream, that was it before the marriage, after the marriage, or during the marriage? Abby said, I don't think you really know the facts. She only got a lawyer a few days ago. She filed the case herself. The case isn't about a woman, the kids. The case is about, I'm going there. I am going there. Oh, you're just coming in. I'm going there. That's why I said I heard some them say. That is the them say I want to talk about. But I want to talk about that. I just joined in the live stream. Don't worry, relax. You'll get all the tea. Thanks for coming. So I heard Nancy saying that Justin did that to Korra, and I was like, oh my God, was it before the marriage? Was it before the marriage, during the marriage, or after? God, Nancy, what you cannot say does not exist. Oh my God. And she was talking about marijuana, how you know the person she said that, allegedly, because it's now an alleged story, because Nancy didn't come out with evidence. And I'm like, God. I'm like, God, to me, it's just one opinion. I just feel there are some things Nancy should just stop saying about Korra online. To me, I feel, okay? To me, I feel there are some things Nancy should just stop saying about Korra. Just stop saying about Korra, because Justin is like a wounded, not he's like, Justin is a wounded lion, and he's looking for every single details. So to me, I just feel henceforth, till this case is over, let Nancy filter, and if possible, over filter things she puts out there about Korra. Please, I'm really pleading with Nancy. We don't want anything that will jeopardize this case. Like, you guys know my stand on this Korra's court case. My own stand. Number one, I told you guys, I'm not in support of her bringing the kids online. Why? Because we have nasty ass people out there who would want to come and say nasty things to those kids. But I'm in support of, Korra giving the right to be able to, travel with her kids outside the US whenever she wants to. She's a mother and she should have that right. If she said, oh, I want my kids to be in Nigeria for Christmas, she should have that right. That is, you all know my stand on this, her court case. So I would not want it to be, it is one live stream Nancy did or one thing Nancy said that will come and jeopardize that case. Because Justin is just roaming around looking for one loophole here and there to, to swindle this case in his favor. So if I were any of these both sisters, I would mind what I say during this period. Because even Justin said, if you have evidence against my ex-wife, blah, 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 bring it out. So I feel this is not the time Nancy should come and start scoring scores with Justin. I know she's doing all that for the views. But to me, I just feel this is not the time to come and start having banters with Justin. This is not the time to come and start having juggling words with Justin. This is not the time to come and start, oh, Justin did this 20 years ago. This is the time for you to be gathering evidence, gathering points, because this court battle is going to be hot, very, very hot. So that's just it. Now let's read MB's comment, and then we'll go to that them say, them say, them say, them say, them say, them say, I heard. Yes. On the streets of Facebook and YouTube, MB said she gives updates on the case, that the police is still investigating. She was attacked in central London. You best believe the person will be caught because there is CCTV everywhere. Okay. The last time I heard updates from Kora on this case was very, very early May. Very early May. And why I'm just screaming about this whole court stuff is I don't want Kora to give the UK police any breathing space. I want her to follow them up, back to back to back to back to back. If possible, get a lawyer that will follow up that case for her, because that person just has to be brought to book. I mean, who does that? That person needs to be brought to book. So that's just it concerning that. Thank you, MB, for your contribution. Now let's move to, hey. So I heard on the streets of YouTube and Facebook that there is this lady. Let me read this MB comment again. She said she filed the case herself. The case is about a woman being the kids in their father's house. Now there's this guy, I've forgotten his name. Oh my God. I just remembered the name. Oh, I've forgotten. Please help me with the name in the comment section. That was allegedly. I will now put allegedly because we've not seen any evidence. You know, earlier, I think this year, a video was sent to Kora, concerning Justin's help, or like call it Nanny, that was allegedly, filming the babies in a very, very not so good manner. I'm trying to watch my word because of YouTube. Not in a very good manner. And Kora said she was going to, fight that case, which she is doing now. And this is where I always fall to Justin. Like, how can you have these girls in your custody and something like this happened? How? If you know you will not be able to give these girls your 101% attention, why don't you just leave them with their mother? Although even Korra can't give them 101% attention because she's always traveling and she's always busy on her live streams. But at least Korra will do a better job. If you know you won't be able to give these girls 101% attention, then why now strive to have them in your custody? Because it's a big failure on your own part that under your nose something this terrible happened. And I really hope Kora is able to get justice and get that lady to pay for her crimes, because it's unheard of that you take a camera and you take nasty pictures of the girls. It's unheard of. And people were saying that Kora went to the court alone. That this video, this clip I played earlier to you, is concerning that case. That Kora went alone and that Kora got a criminal lawyer to fight the case. And people were saying, oh, Kora is not supposed to get a criminal lawyer. That this is not a criminal case. That it is ABUSE case. And I'm like, ABUSE case and criminal case, are they not the same thing? ABUSE, is it not a criminal offense? So what do you guys think? What do you think? And that's why initially I was just saying, Kora has all the money she needs right now to fight this case. Let her get very good lawyers. We don't want to be getting updates like the judge told you to go get your shit together and then come back. We want to be hearing facts. We want to be seeing evidence. We want to be hearing this person is going to jail. That person for doing this to the girls. That's what we want to be hearing. So that's just it. That's just it. Justin posted something on his community tab that made me laugh so much. Justin said on his community tab that he'd rather be a deadbeat father than co-parent with a narcissist and toxic woman. And I said, oh my God, these kids are in for a very long ride. Very, 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 very long ride. And some are spreading rumors saying that Justin will be given full custody at the end of this whole case. Let me burst your bubble. None of them will be given full custody. None. Because Justin, under his watch, the kids were filmed. So how do you give such a person full custody of the girls? How? Korra, on the other hand, with informations we have gotten from Nancy, Att&ck, and so many things out there, will not be given full custody. Except she now knows how to swindle her way through this whole process. My prediction in this whole thing is that they will end up co-parenting and they will have no reason but to just live together in peace and make things work out for the sake of their girls. This is my own prediction. Let's see how the case will go. But this is my own prediction. None will be given full custody. Justin can never be given full custody. Don't get your hopes too high. Those of you saying, oh, Justin will receive full custody. Don't get your hopes too high. He will never receive full custody. There's a case on ground where a lady that was supposed to look after the girls took an indecent video of them. How do you want the court to give such a man full custody? Kora, on the other hand, Justin has a lot on her. And some of the things Nancy has come out to tell us. And that's why I'm begging Nancy, can you please just take a break from Kora's talk? Only say positive things about your sister. Leave Justin alone. Leave him. That guy is a wounded lion looking for what to say, looking for who to nail. Don't give him more things to know your sister with. So that's just it. Brenda, my darling, thanks for coming, darling. Please like the program. Thank you so much for coming. So that's just it for me. Kora won't be given full custody, except Kora now, gets a very good lawyer and knows how to swindle her way through the whole process. At the end, these both ex-couples will be forced to co-parent in peace. They have no choice but to just cooperate with peace for the sake of those girls. They have no choice. So you're welcome, my beautiful. Thank you so much, my darling. Thank you so much for coming. You get me? At the end, though, we have no choice but to cooperate in peace. I don't know why it's so hard. I don't know why it's so difficult for both parties to just cooperate with peace, and the fans are not helping. Bloggers are not helping. Bloggers are just after their own pockets. They are not helping. They're supposed to be preaching to these ex-couples on how to settle this stuff than being toxic. Because at the end, this whole thing will rub off on the kids. And I'm saying this because right now I'm more concerned about the kids. You all know in this Korra and Justin issue, I'm more concerned about the kids. Not even about Justin, not even about Korra, because Justin can decide to get remarried. Korra can decide to get remarried, but the kids will have this name, pegged to them forever. I mean, are you basing this US or CA law? Oh my darling, I didn't get your comments right. Please, can you rewrite it? Are you basing this on US or CA law? My darling, I'm basing it on common sense. I'm basing it on common sense because okay, just let us, for example, put ourselves in the shoe of the judge. And if you're the judge, will you give Justin full custody? Or if you're the judge, will you give Korra full custody? Won't you tell the both of them, if you don't want your kids to be taken off your possession, go and cooperate in peace? I'm, judging this based on common sense because both parties are not giving good vibe. Let's be sincere. You all know over here, I'm not a Justin fan. In fact, if I see Justin on the road, I will knock him for disgracing my Nigerian sister the way he has been doing. So just get that right. I'm not a Justin fan. I'm just someone that actually look out for Kora. But many people think, oh, I don't like her because I'm not coming here to sing her praises. Yeah, that's just it. Wanda Brother said, I just love your personality. Greetings from Switzerland. Thank you, my darling. Thank you so much for coming. Emmy said, custody is already established. If, however, one of the parents can show the other is unfit, it can be reopened. Okay, Emmy, let's argue this. Okay, let's argue. I love this discussion you're bringing. Let's argue this. Do you think with this court case Korra brought up now, that she'll be able to prove to the court that Justin is unfit to co-parent with her? Do you think? I understand where you're going. Do you think? Because to me, I feel the reason why Korra is first of all hammering on this will I call it nanny or this horrible person that did that to the girls is because she wants to prove to the court that okay, in this man's possession, my babies were videoed and were mind you, I'm watching my words because of YouTube. And this guy is not fit to co-parent. I understand. But mind you, let me now now mind you, Korra needs to get a very good lawyer. That's why I've been hammering on lawyer. When I started this live stream, I hammered on lawyer. I guess you're just watching me from the first time. I do my live streams in steps, step by step. Because I knew I was coming to this point. That's why I was hammering on lawyer. Korra should get a very, 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 very good lawyer. So that if she can prove this case right, trust me, Korra will have a upper hand, a very upper hand. And then the court will start looking at Justin. Oh, it's like this guy is not fit for this. It's like this guy is not fit for that. Now let's look at Korra's side. MB, do you think that Justin has things on Korra that he can present to the court that will make the court say, oh, this woman is not fit to have custody of these kids? That is the question. So you see why I said Nancy should mind things she says out there? Can you see everything I've been saying boils down to the same thing? You see why I said this period, Nancy should just stop talking about Justin. Let her just keep singing the praise of Korra, how Korra is the best sister out there, how Korra is this, how Korra is that, and leave Justin. Leave Justin. So that her live stream will not appear in court one day as evidence. Okay, let's read comments. She said, but she's not going for custody. Speak only on fact of the case. Korra is also going for custody now. What are you saying now? Why are you being biased? Why are you being biased? Korra is also going for custody now. You're also going for custody. Right now it's 50-50. Didn't you hear when she said on her live show that they tried to take her kids away from her? Or let me get that clip and play it again. Let me get the clip where Korra was, thanking Koreans and saying how they nearly took her kids away from her. I mean, said the court documents are out there. Justin tried to get custody 3 times and everything they used did not work. That's because it cannot work that way. It can't. Oh my God. Let me get that evidence. Don't worry. Let me try to get it. Let me try to get it. Just give me a little time. Let me try to get it. Don't worry, my live stream, I'll get that clip and I'm going to play it for you guys to listen to. The both of them are fighting for custody. The both of them. It's just Justin on your scene. Did Kora tell you she wants to do this custody thing with Justin forever? Do you know how toxic it is? It's toxic now. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Do you think if Kora has the power right now to win this full custody thing and have a case to herself, she won't do it? She would do it because it's toxic to cooperate to someone like Justin. The both of them want full custody. Justin wants full custody. Kora wants full custody. And I'm telling you that the both of them can never get full custody. They will do 50-50 forever. Except Kora can get a big breakthrough through this her recent case and prove to the courts that Justin is not fit to co-parent. And then she will win. And that's why I've been shouting since that Nancy should mind things she say out there. You're not getting it. Kora wants full custody. Let's tell ourselves the truth. No woman wants this back and forth she's having with Justin every 3 market days. Every 3 market days, Justin is coming out to say 1 or 2 things. Which woman wants that? Which woman wants to sit down and remember they have to drop their kids off every 2 weeks? It's a common sense now. It's a common thing. Just think about it. Do you think Kora is not pressing 1 or 2 buttons to get full custody? Of course she is. She is. Because co-parenting with somebody like Justin is not easy and can never be easy. Justin just said on his community tab that he'd rather be a deadbeat dad than co-parent with somebody like Kora. Is Justin admitting to something? It's a question. Is he admitting to something? Why is he saying he'd rather be a deadbeat dad than co-parent with Kora? The guy is saying something and he's opening his EKB, small. My only prayer for Kora is that this case she's, juggling with this ex-nanny, or like call it present nanny, she wins. Because if she wins that case, trust me, the possibility of Kora getting full custody is now 70-30. Kora wants full custody. Don't allow anybody tell you never. Kora wants it. If she doesn't want full custody, she won't be making all this effort she's making. Justin wants full custody, but he can never be given full custody of those kids, except they now do wuru-wuru in the case. But Kora has more advantage because she's the mother of the kids. And that was why I was telling Kora then in my live stream, those of you that joined my live stream during Kora's GoFundMe, when she went for the Hawaii trip, I told Kora, this step you took is a very, very, very wrong step. Very wrong one. You have a case. You need to start putting out more motherhood content. Oh, I would have loved to do this with my babies. Oh, how I made this on my babies. Hi this, hi that. To make the court still feel, oh, she's such a dirty mother. Everything when it comes to court case is sense. Who the person that is able to manipulate a case better is the person. If you have evidence of so I bring it out. You get me? That's why Justin is running up on that. Do you have evidence of my ex-wife? Bring it out. Because Justin knows, both of them know themselves that they are fighting for custody. And two of them can never get it. But Kora has more upper edge because she is the mother of those kids. And that's why I've been employing Kora to mind the content she put out there, this period that this court case is on. Same thing with Nancy. So that none of the things they put out there will be used against them. But if you like, don't tell her the truth. You'll still come back here and agree with me. Amy said, Amy, in the US court document, okay, Amy, the US courts documents are public record, okay? Which means you can see every case filed and read it online. Custody is not being contested. Kora agreed to 50%. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Right now, as me and you, we are talking on this live stream, they are on 50-50 custody. But me now, I am telling you, and I'll tell you for free, that if Kora has the power and the means to get full custody of these kids, she will do it. Because I don't see Kora still doing, oh, I drop off my kids, oh, to my kids, or let me now as she will. Why do you Kora is fighting for this case? See, everything must not be spelled out in black and white before you say I will. She's playing a chess game with Justin, which is I won't come out here and say I want full custody, but I will make the court, or I will prove to the court that you are not capable enough to take care of this case, so I can have full custody. That's what is going on. It will be hard for her to get full custody, except it's their 100%. And that's why I'm telling you that Kora is trying to prove to the court that Justin is not capable, so that she can get full custody. Because me, I would not even want Kora to be doing all this back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth for the next 2 years. Like, who wants that for their life? Every time on your live stream, you're coming to talk about Justin. Who wants that? It's not good for the health. I don't even want that for her. If she wants full custody, she will go to DCFS, that's the children's court. She's in court for the nanny abusing the kids. Don't mix it up. Oh my God, I'm not mixing it up. I just told you what I feel about this case. Don't worry, with time. Don't worry, with time. You understand why I said what I said, okay? I'm not mixing it up. I just told you, like I said earlier, she is in court to fight the nanny. But I'm also telling you a big agenda. You understand why I said what I said, okay? Like I said, life is not in black and white. And Kora will never come out here to tell you her full plans. Don't forget, in one of her live streams, she said she has come out here severally to tell people her plans, and it ends up flopping. That henceforth, she will no longer tell people her plans. She will just, be working privately and then come with results. Don't worry. Later on, you will understand why I said what I said, okay? He said, thanks. Hope she understands, because I don't understand why she thinks custody is an issue. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So she doesn't have a choice than to do this for the next 15 years. God forbid. I reject it for Kora. I reject it for her. She will not do this for the next 15 years. I reject it for her, please. I want Kora to live long to enjoy every single thing she has worked hard for. I reject this for Kora. She will not do custody battle with Justin, but do you guys even want her alive? Imagine every week, every month, Justin, for the next 15 years. And you think she will still be sane? Please, I don't want that for Kora in the next 15 years. So, okay, speak only on facts, what is known, and not speculation. That's what reaction is all about, okay? Thank you. Now, hey, let's move straight to Justin. Justin recently, I was supposed to talk about Korra's carnival outfit. Yes, but I was so busy at work, I wasn't able to talk about Korra's carnival outfit. When Justin, where Justin was just talking about Korra's carnival outfit, how her those telling Nancy to disown Kora because of how she dressed. I did a video about that, people telling Nancy to disown Kora. You can go watch it later. I will put the link in the comment section so you can go watch it. And I was just asking myself, what is Justin's business with what Kora wore to a carnival? What's his business? You and this person are divorced. He said, that's the fact. The ex still want their children too. That's the major disadvantage of divorce. Chai. Now, wow. Sister, you have a point, Joe. You have a point. It is well. And I was just asking myself, so you mean the next 15 years, this is what Kora will be doing? Hey! Well, let Kora win this case first. Let her win this case. Let her prove to the courts that under Justin's custody, their kids were malhandled. Sorry, 1 minute. The kids were malhandled. Let's now see how the courts will make use of that information. Let's put it that way. Thank you. Now I want to ask, what is Justin's business with what Kora wore to a carnival? If we, the bloggers, want to talk, because our own is to talk, or if Koreans want to complain, because so lots of Koreans complaining about Kora's dressing, it's their right. But Justin, what's your business with what Kora wore? You guys are divorced. So whatever Kora wears should not be your business. And I just came to a conclusion that just what she wore to a carnival will not bother you. You would turn your right eye to the left side and you will say, it's not my business. But somebody also told me, hello, Glory Choma, my darling. Thank you for coming. As you come in, please like the program, my darling. But somebody also told me that Justin has a right to be bothered because Kora is the mother of his kids. And I said, okay, if Justin has a right to be bothered that Kora is the mother of his kids, why did he now come out to say those amount of horrible things he has said about her? Justin Zukwani K, Kora is now your ex. Leave her alone. If she decides to wear panteri and bra to carnival, leave her alone. You leave her. She's now your ex. You guys are no longer in a relationship. So you should not be bringing up, look at what she wore, look at what she did, look at what she that, look at what she wore, what she do the other one, why this, why that, why the other one. So Justin should rest. But in a way, Sha, let's be sincere, let's not be biased. On this platform, we are very sincere. Justice still has small right, though, like 20% right to be bothered on how Kora dresses, because last, Kora is the mother of his kid. Maybe no experience divorce, so you guys will not understand. Christiana, thanks for coming. Please like the program, my darling. Christiana said, the court actually granted Kora full custody, but she opts for 50-50. She stated that she doesn't want her kids to have daddy issue. I feel she's nice to the man. Justin is just bitter. But me, I heard from Justin, that it was the court. Oh, these ex-couples can lie. According to Justin, I heard from Justin when was it not his live stream of 2 months ago that the court gave them 50-50, and I was going to prove to the court that Kora is not fit to be a mother. Wow. Different talks from different sides. Hi. Now, and this ex-couple say, now wow, fear. Say, I mean, you know her lifestyle doesn't promote good motherhood too. Yeah. And the ex the ex will never rest. Justin is like a wounded lion running around social media looking for evidence. And I always ask myself, the time Justin has to pursue this Korra case, what time does he now have to cater for his clients? Maybe no experience divorce, so you guys will not understand. Tell me, you know her lifestyle doesn't promote good motherhood too, and the ex will never rest at all. It's already messy, very messy, very messy. Very messy. He said, in the state of California, even if the nanny is found guilty, he will probably just be asked to go to parenting class. Really? Then that law is a messed up law. Can you imagine? Wow. What kind of parenting class does that kind of a person? That kind of person is not fit. The person doesn't need parenting class. Can you imagine? Ah, Sina said Justin is telling lies. Do you know one thing that is so annoying about these ex couples? You hear something completely from Nasi, and same thing with Justin. And you'll be like, okay, who do I believe? That's why at this point, I'm now using their actions to judge them. Because, what? Hmm. Justin filed for 3 expatriates to take the kids from Kora. Imagine who does that. Yes. And he has and he has continued to fail, and he will continue to fail because even he himself is not fit. I mean, Justin is one perfect dad or one perfect ex-husband. I would have said, oh, how can you be asking for full custody when you're not even fit? When the kids placed in your custody, you were not able to even take care of them. So what are you filing for full parenting for? If not that you want to spite the woman. So let him continue to file. He will continue to lose the case because he is not fit either. Amy said, thank you for giving facts on the case. It's all online. Yeah, thank you. Say, take out Cora's dressing out of the issue. She is very intelligent not to insult Justin, but he calls her horrible names. But what of Nasi? What of Nasi that's always putting fire in these people's issue? You guys should talk to Nasi. That's why I always come out here and say Nasi, 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 oh, Nasi Zukwani K on top Korra matter. You are the one always insulting Justin. The insult Nasi has given Justin, even Korra has not given him. Korra only used Koreans to fight Justin. But Nasi, you guys should talk to Nasi to leave Justin alone. She do I beg. Huh. Her love for Facebook stars is becoming too much. Fear. Her lifestyle pays the bills. Just we have discussed about it the previous time, where I told you guys that even the law in America said, a child has to wait till 5 before they go to school. I'm not sure. The first girl is up to 5. Please, if I'm wrong, correct me. I'm not sure she's up to 5. So in that part, you will not really blame Justin so much, except the kids are up to 5, or the first girl is up to 5, and then Justin refused to pay school fees. That's just my own opinion on that matter. So taking a newborn from the mom and come out to lie about it, a mother's love cannot be comprehended. Yeah, Nasi is her sister to stand for Korra in the midst of being humiliated. My sister, this one I disagree. There are so many ways Nasi can stand for Korra. There are so many ways. Oh. There are so many ways. The way Nasi is doing it is not good. Let's not lie now. Let's say the truth. The way Nasi is doing it is only putting more fire. It's only putting more drama. It's only putting more confusion. Nasi is an adult, and I believe she should know how to address issues. Nasi is putting more fire, putting more diesel, more fuel, more. Nasi is doing too much, please. Her love for Facebook stars is getting too much. There's a way she would handle this matter that it won't spill to the way it's spilling. Most of the times, recently, I'm not talking about last year, recently, most of the times, Justin has come out to Jamu talk is because of Nancy's insults. Let her know how she will defend Kora, that you won't just give that. Ah, I don't want to say something that won't be nice, but let her just know how she will do it, so that at least if Justin is now caught up, she's doing too much, Joe. She's doing too much. She's doing too much. She's doing too much. Even your sister has not even insulted the man like that. You are insulting the man. In her live stream yesterday, she said, we all know Korra won't talk about it. Nasi is the one that should come and expose the humiliation Korra is facing. But let her do it in a wise way now. Let her do it in a wise way. The way she's going about it is too toxic. There's a way she will come out and give her points. Even the Justin will have nothing on her. Nasi is protecting her sister. She's not affecting the case in every way. Everything she says is because she can back it up. Yeah, I know she can back some of her claims up, but to me, I just feel she's part of the reasons why this whole issue at times spill out of proportion. Let her just. She has a husband too. She has kids too. Let her just mind things she says about Justin, because Justin right now, like I said, is a wounded lion looking for evidence up and down. So that's just it. For Kora's dressing, like I did a video about it, to me, you guys know my stand on it. Although many Koreans have said that is how Kora earns a living, that's how Kora this, that's how Kora that. Well, for me, I'll just say cover up a little. That's my own opinion about that. So for both of them, they better accept to be at peace, because it's still death, because children are involved. I think that would be our final conclusion. They should just learn to live in peace. Since now I'm getting information from those living in the US that even if in this case Justin is found guilty, that it won't even affect the custody stuff. That Justin will just end up going for parenting class, which is sad. I was really having hope on this case that if Justin is found guilty, something will spin in her favor. But well, it's fine. It's fine. It's what they signed up for. See, I mean, this issue has a full army of Justin's follower to hate Kora. And you also know that Kora's followers to hate Justin. So I just feel that both parties should just opt for peace. That's just what I feel. That's what I feel, because kids are involved. That's just what I feel. Yeah. Nasi has a right to fight for her sister. Yes, she has a right. She has a right, but she should do it the wise way, the very wise way. Okay, so Justin can say and get away with what he said about Kora? Of course not. If you have been watching me, if you have been following me for a very long time, you know that I have been taking Justin to possible for saying Nasi's husband allegedly was trying to screw Kora. Yes, that's bullshit, which should not be accepted. Although Nasi said she would take him to court concerning that, but I mean, but coming out to, if somebody is already in the mud, if somebody is already in the dirt, you don't want to go into the dirt with that person, especially when you know that you have a lot to lose. That's just what I'm trying to say. Nothing she does, you just understand that this man has nothing to lose. He's just out there looking for who to devour. So you don't want to stoop to his level. Because when you stoop to his level, you really want to lose more. So that's just it. Christina said, if Justin is found guilty, he can be jailed for it. But MB said if Justin is found guilty, that he will just be asked to go for parenting class. I will do more research on this, and in my next live stream, I will give you guys updates. If Justin is found guilty, what will happen? Will he be jailed, or will he be or will he be going for parenting class? I have lots of followers in the US. I would ask them and I'll do my own personal research. So that live stream might be tomorrow. Let's know this whole court case. If Justin is found guilty, what happens? Will he be jailed? Will it make Kora have more custody of the kids? What will happen? We'll talk about this particular one in my next live stream. Emmy said, I did not see the video. It all depends on the severity of the ABUSE, or at least that will happen. What will happen is correct is parenting class, and most is arrest for him. Man, don't worry. We'll talk about this particularly in the next one. One of Justin's followers said the video is bad. Whoosh. I wish them the best. I wish them the best. He said he could be jailed because the ABUSE happened under his care. Exactly. This is what I was saying. But MB was like, nothing will happen. He will just go for parenting class. So don't worry. So that we don't have any confusion. In the next live stream, I'll do my research. And I'll read more of the documents online. What happens when this happened? What happened when that happened? And the consequences of it, okay? He did not commit the crime. But if he's found to have known or been an accomplice, then it's game over for him. Even if he did not commit the crime, even if he wasn't aware, in my own opinion, he will still go in for it because it happened under his roof. If somebody was, deleted under your custody, even when they are trying that case, you will also come to court because it was under your roof, it happened. So that's just what I think. I might be right, I might be wrong. But so long as it happened under his roof, he must have one or two consequences to face. That's what I feel, because when those kids are under your custody, you are obligated to give them 101% protection. So if you fail in your duty to protect them, there should be a consequence you will face. Except where Justin lives, the law there is different. Yeah, he did not commit it but gave consent. Okay, law is different. Law differs from different states. Okay, consent in the states is a thing. Okay, law differs in different states in the US. You have a very, 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 very strong point. A very, very strong point. But let's see how this case ends. Let's see how this case ends. Let's see how it ends. The laws are different in all 50 states. I'll make more research, and when I'm coming live next time, let's say tomorrow, I would bring you more information. The video, one of my subscribers actually has the video, but she said she's going to share it with me after this live stream. So I'll go watch it. If it's very bad, I won't be able to put those videos on here. But the videos are very bad, I'll come here and tell you guys. But if they are not bad, I will let you know in the next live stream. Miriam Awolowo confirms that the video is really bad. Oh my God. Wow. Whew. These are the perks of being divorced. But well, go see both couples through. Now let's end this live stream with people bashing Kora's dad, Mr. Obidi, for allowing Kora dance in his presence. MB said, that's what Kora lawyer has to prove, his knowledge and consent. But don't forget, Kora is always soft on him. Soft on him how? How, my dear? Now, to those bashing Kora's dad, that, oh, why is he allowing Kora dance in his presence? Is one thing I don't understand. He has once been featured in one of Kora's musical videos. He's aware of what his daughter does online. So she now dancing or doing a musical video with him or doing a Facebook video with him. What's so bad there? Some of you are not loved at home. That's why you always look for every opportunity to drag people's parents, which is uncalled for. If you have issues with Korra, why don't you face her? What the hell do you have to do with the dad? What's your business with him? You don't have elderly ones at home. Respect those that have elderly ones at home. I still cannot fathom why people are bashing the dad. You can bash Korra, it's understandable. Or you have one or two beefs with her, it's fine. But what has the dad got to do with it? Oh, because he has a daughter that dance, he should no longer appear on Facebook? Like I always say here on my live stream, I'm not 100% support of Korra's dressing. I'll be sincere with you on this one. Because I feel, she's a mom. But if she feels that's what she wants to do, it's fine. Let her do whatever makes her happy. But let her also always put, her daughter's interest at heart. But you guys now taking all that aggression and putting it on the dad. That he didn't raise her well. He's a mosquito killer. Like, what's that? It's really giving you don't have elderly ones at home vibe. So if you do that, please stop it. You can bash Korra all you want, but you see when it now goes to insulting her dad, it's wrong. We'll all grow old someday. That's all our prayer. We will not be happy when we grow old and we are being insulted just because our children did one or two things. Same thing with those insulting Justin's mom. It's not fair. If you do it, please stop. Stop insulting Justin's mom. Leave the parents out of it. If I see lots of people online insulting Justin's mom, just stop it. Stop insulting Justin's mom. Stop insulting Korra's dad. Leave their parents out of it. The two of them met each other and said they found love and said they want to be with each other. You should not insult their parents because of their choices. Trust me, their parents have made one or two efforts privately to settle their issues, but it didn't work. So why should you insult them? To me, it's not right. But I'm entitled to my own opinion. And you are also entitled to your own opinion. But this is just my own unbiased opinion on what has been going on so far. Korra let Justin get away with things. Don't forget she gave him 50% custody so the girls don't have daddy issue. Don't worry, I'm going to check on the file that contains this particular 50-50 custody stuff, and then we'll talk about it. In the next live stream, we'll be talking about the consequence of this case going on. If Korra wins, what will be the consequence on Justin? And Korra regretting allowing Justin have 50-50% custody with him. If it's true, like you guys claim here, I'm going to do my research on these both topics, and we are going to talk about them extensively in my next live stream, because I really want to know what is going to happen after this whole court case. I sincerely want to know. But I just thought to put it out there. If you're fond of always insulting Justin's mom, insulting Korra's dad, please stop it. Stop it. Their kids should be held accountable for their actions. Their parents should not be dragged into it and insulted in the process. Please stop it. It's not nice. And it's not fair on them. So that's just it, my people. Like I said earlier, if Korra has the opportunity with what has happened so far, with those of you saying now that she was given the opportunity to have 100% custody, I believe right now Korra will be regretting. If it is true, like I said, I will do my research and we'll talk about it in our next live stream. If it is true, truly, that the court gave Korra the opportunity to have 100% custody, and she chose to give Justin 50 because she didn't want the girls to have daddy issue, Trust me, Kora will be regretting it now. She will be regretting it now. Yes, she will be regretting it now. She will be regretting it. But like I said earlier, I will be doing more research on this. Many more research will be coming up on this court issue. We'll be following it back to back because we must get to the root of this. She will be regretting it. I'll do more research so that I'm sure, so that I will not be misled. I'll go and look for those articles. I'll put them up on the screen so we can read them together in my next live stream. If truly the court gave Korra 100% custody, trust me, that is the biggest mistake Korra has ever made throughout her, will I call it 2 years or 3 years of marriage to Justin. Because why would you say you don't want your kids to have daddy issues and you end up co-parenting with somebody like this? Mind you, Cora has her own issues. She does have her own issues, which I always point out here. But the way Justin has gone so far when it comes to issues relating to their kids, to me, I don't think Cora made a very wise decision when she agreed to do 50-50 with Justin. Boys, well, she had 100%. She gave him 40% and then 50%. Okay. Priscilla said she regretted it. Of course she did, if that is true. If Cora wins, Justin will never give up. He will appeal for jury. My own is that for the interest of their children, they better be at peace. Yes, I agree with you. For the interest of their kids, they should, seek peace. Yes. Though they are not fighting for custody, this is not decided by a jury. Well, to me, like I said earlier, we are going to be doing more research on this case in our next live stream. We'll be talking more on this. Let's know who. Let's know who will be laughing, at the judge in the next few days. She's not fighting for custody, but Justin wants full custody now. Don't worry. We'll see how this case will end up. Please, if you're just joining, he said it in a recent video. I don't know why. I don't know if Justin blocked me because the comments I dropped for him when he was insulting Nancy's husband. I don't see Justin's live streams again. I'll go use another account and follow him so I can be getting his live streams updates. So if you're just joining in, thank you for coming. Please like the program. Please subscribe to the channel. Turn on your bell so that once I go live tomorrow, bringing you updates on this, you will be the very first person to get notified. Thank you so much for coming. Please take the likes to 10. I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye. Said probably for the child support. He already tried 3 times. So Justin cannot go and work his ass out. He wants to be taking child support from Kora. Should be ashamed of himself. Truly, he's really a deadbeat, like he said on his write-up. That he'd rather be a deadbeat than co-parent to someone like Kora. So guys, that's all I have for you. Bye guys. I'll see you in my next one.